Our version of Canvas has been updated with some new features that will make it easier to navigate and find assignments that are due. Every aspect of this new update was created with learners in mind. But don't worry, not everything has changed. Modules still look the same as well as quizzes. Let's take a look at the new features. One of the biggest changes is the new look and feel of the dashboard, now called Homeroom. You'll notice the course cards, now called subject cards, are available here just as before to get into your classes. What's changed, however, is you can now clearly see on the card what assignments are due, which are missing, and any announcements from your teachers. You'll also notice that there is no longer a list of options on the left side of the screen. Instead, there are some new links at the top of the page to see your schedule, grades, and additional resources. When you click on Schedule, you can see no matter which course you're in, exactly what's due on each day and how many points it's worth. You can see what's been completed, what assignments were late, or what's missing. Going back to the homeroom view, the old dashboard, when you click on a subject card, you'll be taken to the Home tab. This has basic information from your teacher. Next is the schedule for this class only. You can click on any assignment name to be taken right to the assignment. Then you'll see the Module tab, which again has not changed. On the Grades tab, just like on the Schedule tab, you'll see the grades for just this class. To see all your grades at once, click on Grades under the Homeroom button on the left side navigation. Discussion boards have also been redesigned to make it easier to respond to your classmates and for teachers to deliver feedback. When replies are submitted, these will now be ordered by newest to oldest. You can change this order by clicking on the Sort button. Some teachers like to use multiple due dates in discussions. If there is one due date, you will see this date above the discussion prompt. If there are multiple or more than one date, click on the link labeled Show Due Dates, and the due date information will open. Two other changes to discussions that are coming soon are: when replying to a classmate's response, a small window will appear so you can see their comments while writing your reply. You will also be able to tag another person in your reply with @mentions. The way to submit or turn in assignments has also been updated. The assignment summary header is always visible when viewing the assignment and floats at the top of the page. This shows the name of the assignment, the due date, and which submission attempt you were on. This header also shows what stage or level of the submission process you are in, whether it's in progress, submitted, or need to review feedback from your teacher. You can also see the number of points possible and if the assignment is currently missing. There's also the View Feedback button. When you click on this button, you can view any feedback or comments from your teacher, as well as ask a question or comment back to your teacher. This button will be available after you have submitted your assignment. Underneath the header is where you can view the number of attempts available for the assignment. Assignments that do not have a limit display as unlimited attempts. Then you will see the details for the assignment. This will include detailed instructions from your teacher about the assignment. This details section can be collapsed or closed when needed by clicking on the title labeled Details. If a rubric is provided, you will be able to view this to help you in completing your assignment. If the rubric section is not open when viewing, click on the title labeled View Rubric to open. Finally, at the bottom of the screen, you will see the different ways you can submit your assignment. In this example, you can see that the assignment can be completed by filling out a text box, copying and pasting a link to a document, such as a share link to a Google document, record a voice or video message, or by uploading a file. You can choose Google Documents from your Google Drive for both the web URL and upload submission types. One other submission type you may see is annotation. This allows for you to make notes or circle or draw on the document uploaded by your teacher. When you are ready to submit or turn in your assignment, click one of the submission types and add your assignment. Then click the Submit Assignment button. In the header, the submission stage will turn to Submitted and will show the date and time the assignment was submitted. You will also see a preview of the submitted file or files. After submitting your assignment, make sure to check the View Feedback button. This is where you will be able to view comments left by your teacher. Comments can be added even when the assignment has not yet been graded, such as when a teacher may ask for more details on a section of your work and ask for you to resubmit. You can also add comments for teachers to view too. Sometimes a teacher may assign work that is to be completed on paper or turned in class, not on Canvas. However, the name and details of the assignment are available in Canvas. In this case, you can view your grade in Canvas and you will receive what is called an offline score or grade. This means the assignment was not submitted through Canvas, but another way. Your teacher will grade the assignment in Canvas and may give you feedback in Canvas as well. We hope this video explaining all the new features and updates has been helpful. For more information, contact your teacher or view the help document in the description area below.